Hello, welcome students. Today in this video we will see a very important topic, factorization based on identity under polynomial chapter for class 9. So actually you have seen in your last class also that what does this factorization mean. To find out factors of the given polynomial, this process of finding factors is called factorization. Means what is given, we have to find out its factors. Okay, student. And today we will see some important type of factorization based on identity. As per your syllabus, such type of questions are also given in the exercise of NCERT in exercise 2.5. So you will practice after that. So try to understand. So let us take first question. It is factorize 4x square plus y square plus 9z square plus 4xy minus 6yz minus 12xz. So see student, how I have done. First of all, I have written the same question, only just to made a change here, that the minus containing terms I have written within the bracket putting plus sign before it, which makes no difference. Okay student, now we will try to set up the given question on a particular identity, on a suitable identity. So I have written 4x square is in place of 4x square 2x whole square. Similarly plus y square plus 9z square. For this I have written here minus 3z whole square. Actually it should be 3z whole square, but since you are viewing your question that two terms are here which are in minus sign, and if you deeply observe, then reason of this minus sign will be clear, that in both these terms z is present. This indicates that the z term should be minus. That's why in place of 3z or instead of 3z I have written minus 3z whole square. I think it is okay. Now after that we just write 2 into a into b, taking our a and b, plus 2 into b into c plus 2 into c into a. Just supposing these three square as first one is a square plus second one is b square plus third one is c square. That is, in place of a we have taken 2x, in place of b we have taken y, and in place of c we have taken minus 3z. In this way our question just arranged on the identity a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, and you have read that this is equal to a plus b plus c whole square. That's why here we have written a plus b plus c whole square, and it is understood that what is your a and what is your b and c. So ultimately, finally we have got 2x plus y minus 3z whole square, and whole square means these are written, this should be written two times. So these two brackets are factor for the given polynomial, and last we have to write what identity we have used, so it is written here. Okay student, now we take the second question. Here it is to factorize 8x cube plus 1y cube plus 12x square by y plus 6x by y square. So if you think here, then you just view that two terms are in cube form. It means one will be a cube and other will be b cube. So I have done that, 2x whole cube plus 1 by y whole cube. So taking 2x as a and 1 by y as b. Now the remaining terms you know in this identity are plus 3a square b, so I have written that, and plus 3ab square. In this way, if you simplify these terms, then you will get the corresponding above term for which such arrangement has been done. Okay, student. Now it well arranged on the identity. What is written here, a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square is equal to a plus b whole cube. So I have written finally its answer as a plus b whole cube, that is 2x plus 1 by y whole cube, because our a is 2x and b is 1 by y, and whole cube means we have to write 3 times. So these 3 brackets are in product form. So these are the factors of given question. Using identity is written here. The similar question is third one, where the question I am reading, 8x cube minus 1 by 27y cube minus 4x square y plus 2 by 3 xy square. Again you view these two terms. These are the clue to memorize your identity on which you have to arrange your question. So these two should be written in a cube minus b cube form. So taking 2x as a and taking 1 by 3y as b, I have made them cube to equalize the given terms of questions. Okay, student. Now the remaining part of this identity are minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So all things we have written here, and you may verify it by simplifying these terms. You will get the terms of your question. So ultimately we have arranged our question on the identity a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square, which ultimately equal to which is equal to a minus b whole cube. Okay, student. So finally we have got a minus b whole cube here. In place of a, our a is 2x and b is 1 by 3y, so it will be a minus b whole cube, and again we will write it 3 times and using identity this. Now we will see a few question more based on identity. So we have this page now. Question number 4, factorize 8x cube plus 1 by 27y cube. You see, in this question only 2 terms are there and both are in cube, so variables are present in cubic form. Quite natural, you should immediately recall that both terms will be arranged as a cube plus b cube. So that I have done here, and now recall what is the identity of this. A cube plus b cube is equal to, in one bracket a plus b and in other bracket a square minus ab plus b square. So that's I have written here, and on simplification you have got the 2 factors. One is in the bracket 2x plus 1 by 3y, and another one is 4x square minus 2x by 3 plus 1 by 9y square, using identity written here. Again similar question is question number 5. Only the difference between 4 and 5 is 4 1 is having plus sign in between the two terms, and the fifth one containing minus sign between the two cubic terms. So quite natural. Here I have taken in m and n variable the polynomial what we have taken. So it is 27m cube minus 8n cube. So we will arrange this cubic term in the form of a cube minus b cube, as I have arranged 3m whole cube minus 2n whole cube. So now our question is in the form a cube minus b cube. So recall identity related to this. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b, one bracket, in one bracket, and in another bracket a square plus ab plus b square. So that just putting a and b, we have got what the answer step is. In bracket, one bracket 3m minus 2n, and in other bracket it is 9m square plus 6mn plus 4n square. So these two are the factors of this question using identity written here. Okay, now we take one very important question, and it is a peculiar one. Here you see question number 6. It is the last question of identity based here. So question is 8x cube plus y cube plus 27z cube minus 18xyz. Here you see what is the identification, that is benchmark that is key point. How we can recognize identity, the related identity. You see here 3 terms are in cube and one term is having all variables in one power. You see here x variable is in cube, again y cube, here again z cube, but here all 3 variables are simply x, y, z, means with each one power. So such question when you have to factorize, then recall this identity here: a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Here it should be abc. So this identity is actually a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. So ABC is not written here. Okay, and the answer is one factor in one bracket, it is a plus b plus c, and another factor of this identity is in other bracket in into form, that is a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. So these two are the factors of for this polynomial: a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. So that I have done here. So these 3 terms I have made them in cubic form. So it is 2x whole cube plus y cube, y whole cube plus 3z whole cube. So these are 3 cubic terms, and then I have written minus 3abc, minus 3abc, taking a, b and c from these brackets, and if you multiply all these you will get this corresponding term 18xyz. So our question now arranged on identity: a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. So answer will be written here. So accordingly we have write in the first bracket 2x plus y plus 3z, and in the second bracket after simplifying we get 4x square plus y square plus 9z square minus 2xy minus 3yz minus 6xz. So these two brackets are the factors of this question. Okay student, now using identity, so identity is written here: a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Now I think well, it is all the 6 questions based on identities are well clear now. There should not be any doubt, students. You will make your practice work from your NCERT book as well as from other book. And one here I have given you for your work, that is using identity evaluate this question 1.05 into 9.5. So try to solve this, and if any doubt, if any difficult question not able to solve from your exercise, search out such questions so that I may share, we may discuss in the next video. So hope that you will like, share and subscribe this video if you feel good, and this will encourage me too, so that I will come again before you with new video. Till then, thanks. Have a nice day.